Hi, this time I will take you to Wejherowo, to one of the housing communities that invested in a modern and efficient solution for preparing domestic hot water. The investment was based on Termet brand ecological heat pumps and photovoltaic panels. Why do housing cooperatives and communities decide to revitalise their heating installations will be told to us by the community manager in Wejherowo.
Henryk Czubek, manager of the residential community building at Osiedle Przyjaźni 8. Yes, well, we had this idea quite a while ago, but so far there were no subsidies. The community didn't have such large funds, but we analyzed the energy consumption that the community bears. What heating-related costs does the community bear? The energy consumption for our small building is about 550 gigajoules annually, of which 250, 220, that's about 40%, goes just to heating hot water, and 200 or so, 330, 340 is for heating. Heating accumulates for us. In a very short period, then the demand for thermal energy is the highest if we do not have energy from photovoltaic panels. So in a period of 5 to 6 months, we must accumulate those 340, 320 gigajoules. And during this time, we have the lowest electricity output from photovoltaic panels. So right now, with the current weather, meaning cloudy skies, rain, and so forth, we are using about, it takes 20 kilowatt hours to heat 1 cubic meter of water. This amounts to, even assuming a rate of 1 zloty 30 per kilowatt hour is about 25, 26 zlotys for heating 1 cubic meter of water. However, to the district heating, we have to pay about 50 zlotys for heating 1 cubic meter of water. So the difference is significant.
Wisław Brunaka, an installation contractor here at Friendship Housing Estate number 8. The Instarex company. There are subsidies from the Bank of National Economy of 50% of the net amount, and with proper parameterization and optimization of systems, well, it is very beneficial. These are investments that are profitable for the residents and significantly lower the operating costs of the apartments. Certain conditions must be met. The community must have rooms available for technical elements, heat buffers, water tanks, and also have space for heat pumps. Alternatively, they can also be placed well in other locations, for example on the roof.